March 4th of this year marks the 55th anniversary of the fall of the Bruderheim meteorite, and that's what's being celebrated in Bruderheim this week. The size of the rock or the object that came in the atmosphere was something like the size of a desk, probably several metric tons, but it came screaming in, going something like 60,000 kilometers an hour, and because of that it broke up into many pieces that showered the area. One of them is shown here. In fact, this is the very first piece ever found from the Bruderheim meteorite. You can see the characteristic black fusion crust on the outside. That's from friction with the atmosphere as the rock passed through it very quickly. It essentially heated up the outside and melted it. And then just on this corner over here, you can see where that fusion crust is broken off. You can kind of see this sort of cement gray interior. That's the rock itself. They tend to be fairly heavy because they have a bit of metal inside. That plus the fusion crust is pretty much characteristic of a meteorite. Bruderheim tends to have these quite flat surfaces, sort of a characteristic that's pretty typical of this particular meteorite fall. Overall, there's something like several dozen different meteorite specimens collected. Total weight was 303 kilograms that was documented, and that today still remains the largest meteorite fall by weight in Canadian history.